Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the platform. Today, we're taking a look at StashAway, found at https://www.stashaway.com. StashAway presents itself as a straightforward and accessible platform for investing, aiming to simplify the process and make it achievable for everyone. It boasts a user-friendly interface that seems designed to appeal to both novice investors and those more seasoned in the world of finance. From what I've seen, it offers a range of investment options, allowing users to select portfolios that align with their risk tolerance and financial goals. StashAway emphasizes its intelligent portfolio management system, which utilizes algorithms and diversification strategies to potentially optimize returns while mitigating risk. Their website highlights various features, including automated investing, personalized recommendations, and access to educational resources. They also appear to be transparent about their fees and pricing structure, which is a plus for any investment platform. While I haven't personally delved deep into all of StashAway's offerings, their online presence suggests a comprehensive approach to investing. It's worth exploring further if you're looking for a platform that appears to handle the complexities of investment management while providing a user-friendly experience. Of course, as with any investment platform, it's crucial to conduct your own research and due diligence before committing any funds. It's also important to remember that past performance is not indicative of future results. I encourage you to visit their website at https://www.stashaway.com to explore their services in detail. This overview is based on my initial impressions and the information readily available on their site, and doesn't constitute financial advice. Remember to consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. They can help you determine if StashAway or any other platform aligns with your individual financial circumstances and goals.